Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I will be talking about the Bitcoin one hourly candles, where we are right now seeing a perfect retest coming in here of this blue box of support, what was previously acting as resistance. As well, we will be talking a little bit about the falling wedge that we have been creating, and of course, we will be also discussing the follow-through that we are going to create on this specific pattern. As well, we will be talking about Bitcoin, and of course, the cycles from the past. We are seeing similarities. We are seeing that every cycle tends to take longer to complete. So will this be exactly the same once again here in the 2021 cycle? That's the thing that we are as well going to discuss. And as well, we will be talking about El Salvador airdropping 30 US dollars in Bitcoin, what is going to add another 4.5 million users to the ecosystem. So guys, this is pretty interesting. And if this sounds interesting for you as well here, make sure to stick till the end. And if you're a Bitcoin holder, I should highly suggest to do so. And as well, guys, if you haven't already liked the video, make sure to do it right now here, guys. Let's go for 200 likes on this video. Make sure to smash it up. And as well, if you haven't already hit the subscribe button on the channel, make sure to do it as well. But it will be amazing if you guys can right now all hit up that like button, because we're doing this every single day. So with this having being said, guys, let me go right away into the video. So Bitcoin, what have we been seeing? We have been seeing a beautiful higher low structure getting utilized together with a beautiful higher high structure. This structure is, of course, clearly identifying that we are in an uptrend on the 1 hourly candles, and this is really helping us to push up prices, even though we have not been breaking out through the previous high over here. Because if you're looking at the bigger picture, of course, on the 4 hourly candles, you can clearly see we have been still setting a lower high. So in order for me, of course, to become even more bullish, I do want to be seeing this level successfully getting retested. And I've been saying this already on Twitter before we were breaking through here. I told you guys, if we break the 34.3k, we're aiming for higher targets around the 36k here. We will also confirm the uptrend on the 1 hourly time frame. So yeah, we clearly are confirming the uptrend because we have been breaking through this level and we have been once again setting a higher low. But there are some bearish signals right now flagging in my opinion. And of course, today is Friday. Today is as well the day that approximately 3.5 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum will be expiring in terms of these futures. So yeah, it's going to be very exciting. The open interest is being pretty high right now, and it can be having a lot of influence on the market because we'll still want to be pushing prices below the 32k here. But if I am enabling the MACD, I am right now seeing some some bearish divergence playing out here. So you can see over here on the MACD, we're seeing a lower high getting created here together with a higher high in the price chart. This of course is giving us a signal, okay, the selling pressure is cooling off, but we are still setting a higher high. What is of course usually identifying that we are going to see a cool period getting started, because yeah, the momentum is cooling off and it looks to be that the sellers are getting stronger and stronger, even though of course we have been as well clearly seeing this higher low structure getting formed here on the lows. So yeah, let's see how it will be resulting, of course, but currently it's not giving us the best signal with this minor bearish divergence on the top side. But yeah, we have to wait and see how this will be ending, of course. But of course, at first we're going to talk about the 1 hourly candles, and of course with the EMA ribbon, it is looking pretty interesting because yeah, since we have been clearing the EMA ribbon on the 1 hourly time frame, it looks to be that we're right now finding very beautiful support on this level. And yeah, this can be still helping us to push up the prices even slightly, so bit here a little bit more towards the upside. So yeah, it does look okay, and it does look like we are finding support on together with the blue box of resistance, together with the EMA ribbon. Potentially, I do think still, even though we have been seeing such a bearish divergence on the MACD here, I do still think that we can be rising up a little bit higher, and this can be still, potentially, give us higher returns, because we have to know, guys, this bearish divergence on the MACD, and of course this sell signal on the MACD was only flagged towards us on the 1 hour. But of course, if we're going to our 4 hour chart, and if we're enabling the MACD on our 4 hourly chart, guys, we're seeing something very interesting. We are still seeing higher highs getting created. So this is, of course, not a bearish signal, but earlier I can better say this is an extremely bullish signal as well, coming together with, of course, the higher lows getting created over here, and of course lower lows in the price chart. So yeah, this looks pretty good on the 4 hour. Only the 1 hour is looking a little bit less strong, but usually, of course, the 1 hour it swips a lot of times from momentum, and it doesn't matter if we're going to see a minor downtrend getting started on the 1 hour, where of course the 4 hour is still looking strong and still moving up, and that's of course a beautiful thing to see. So yeah, quite exciting what we're having here. And I do think that we want to be, of course, on the right side. And personally, I do think that the right side, of course, is the more of the bullish side here. So what are we seeing right now on the 4 hourly candle? So let me first discuss this this interesting falling wedge. Of course, we have been discussing it yesterday while we were trading on this level over here, and of course we have been warning you guys all together. We were trading on this level, and we have been warning you guys in yesterday's video that we uploaded here, that we of course want to be looking out for this this move up towards probably 40.5k approximately. So yeah, this is pretty exciting that we have been warning you exactly perfectly for this one. So make sure to be prepared. Still, another move of an approximately 18% is it towards the 40.5k is probably upon us. So yeah, I do want to be saying you want to be rather bullish than bearish on Bitcoin right now, and it is looking like a very good opportunity. It is looking like we can be, of course, moving up very significantly in a very rapid pace here after having these successful retests. So as well, yeah, EMA ribbon is looking pretty okay here. We're trading above it right now. We're finding support on the EMA ribbon. This can be definitely just help us to push prices even further towards the upside as well here. So yeah, personally, I really can't wait to see what we're heading towards. Personally, I do think it's a very, very good time to be, of course, bullish on Bitcoin, and I definitely think it's going to be exciting days here, especially if the ones who have missed out buying, of course, the dip below the 40k, who are potentially going to buy back around the 50-60k. So yeah, that's quite exciting, and as well, very perfectly that we already called this first move towards the upside. So, guys, as well, a thing I want to be talking about real quickly here right now here is, of course, as well, El Salvador, that they're going to airdrop another $30 to every adult citizen. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, and because they are going to do so, they are going to add another the total user base of Bitcoin will be growing with another 2.5%, what is of course approximately 4.5 million Salvadorians. So quite a lot of people adding to the Bitcoin ecosystem, and it's pretty cool that the user base can grow so quickly with the adoption of one country. And as well, you can see over here, CEO from Binance is saying here 6 million people added to the crypto ecosystem in one go. It's absolutely insane, guys, what we are doing here. It's absolutely insane what we are having here. We are, of course, hedging against all these other currencies, and of course, the Bitcoin is getting more and more mainstream every single day here. And it's just so important to know you want to be seeing the adoption, and you do want to be knowing what is going around in the background. And even though the price is not really searching from of this news here, it is still an extreme big new thing here because the adoption is growing so quickly, and even you can be paying in El Salvador with Bitcoin. And I mean, it's already possible. It's already working over there, and it's insane. It's insane what the adoption is right now is here. And I just want to be saying this to you guys because, yeah, just think about it. Once a country like America is going to do it or so, or a bigger country is going to do it, I mean, guys, there will be more dominoes falling. This is the first domino that's falling. It is the first, but definitely not the last. And by the way, guys, of course, on today, the June 25th, the news came out here. So we're always providing you with the newest articles. So yeah, if you like this kind of news as well between these videos, let me know in the comment section. And as well, let me know by hitting up that like button. But then, guys, let me talk a little bit about this very interesting chart here to discuss, of course, the longer term vision on Bitcoin. So, guys, we have been already making a tweet for you guys saying that Bitcoin tends to create longer cycles each and every cycle. And this is a fact because you can see over here, 2011. Of course, it took approximately, let me see, of course, over here, an approximately 400 days longer for the 2013 cycle to finish. For 2017, it took an approximately 270 days, once again, longer to get completed. So 270 days over there, approximately 440 days over there. So at least I do think that the 2021 cycle will be taking at least another 150 days, approximately longer than the 2017 cycle to finish. So this is a thing that have been playing out every single time in the past. These cycles tend to take longer to get completed. And as well, these cycles, of course, were right now sitting. These previous cycles were all speculation, of course, retailers, etc. buying in. But right now we are all as well having countries like El Salvador. We're having institutions like Tesla stepping into the market. So is this different? Is this shakeout the top? No, I don't think so. You can even compare this shakeout over here towards 2013, in my opinion. And every single cycle has their own characteristics. And I'm not saying that we have to be copying the previous cycles. I do think that every cycle is just a little bit different. But if we're comparing it to 2017, you can see always once we're trading above it, in my opinion, we're overvalued. And right now we're trading below it, and we are undervalued. And usually you can see here, if we're trading below these levels, we tend to increase very quickly evaluation. But I will be not saying Now we have to be keeping track of the 2017 cycle, because I personally as well don't think that we will be doing so, because it will be really help. It really has to be pushing Bitcoin up very quickly towards 300k here, because the target of course is, if we're going to see the same ROI as 2017, 300k for Bitcoin. But personally, I don't think that we're going to see 300k Bitcoin in this cycle. I think that's too ambitious, but I do think that we're going to see levels around to 120k approximately getting reached here, but it will be taking some time. But for sure, once again, guys, you want to be always zooming out, and if you are zooming out, do you think the market is over? I definitely don't think so, and I will be taking this cycle as well here, and we will be probably seeing something similar once again here, and after that we will be probably topping out here. We are not even close with topping out. If we are going to complete the same cycle as 2017, we need another 112 days here in order to have the same time as the 2017 cycle. And there has never been a cycle that is shorter than the previous one. It always has been longer. So is it already over? I don't think so. There are several reasons, of course, as well. This chart signifying that we are not even close by reaching the same levels of 2017 in terms of days in the cycle. And of course, because every single cycle takes longer, it is highly to expect that we are not even close with to be done here. You can as well look at some different charts here. And you can see over here, this one is also highly discussed on the channel, highly discussed several times on the channel. The previous bull market in 2017 got kickstarted because we were retesting the 1.618 here on the Fibonacci weekly chart. And right now, the BLX, where we're right now trading on, we are retesting the same level, the same Fibonacci level as 2017. And this can be really providing a lot of support. And I have been already calling the bottom. I've been saying that 30k for Bitcoin is the bottom. And you can see it over here, the amounts of support that is coming in around these levels. There is a massive amount of accumulation going around here. There's a massive amounts of accumulation going around. And if you don't believe me, that there is a massive amount of accumulation going around here, I can show you the whale map. Guys, there has never been so much whalish price action, whalish interest. Of course, it's a wallet inflow, so there's never been such a period that whales have been buying so much Bitcoin. I mean, they have been even buying the tops over here, but right now as well, this drop-off, guys, it's a hot zone for these whales. They are buying up like crazy, like never before. And you are still willing to stand on the sidelines. As long as these large wallets are buying, I should be buying as well. Of course, they are down the way over here. They were not buying. Then you, of course, don't buy as well, because that's, of course, signifying a bear market. But right now, they are buying. So yeah, this is as well making me feel pretty excited about the Bitcoin market, and as well the opportunities that we're going to see here. So yeah, once again, another reason why I don't think the Bitcoin bull market is over yet here. Guys, there are several models. I can even talk about more things, about more on-chain data, but of course, otherwise the video will be taking 20 minutes plus here. But guys, this was already it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video here on the channel. I will be trying to upload it as soon as possible. So guys, if you like the video, if you like the content that we make on the channel, make sure to, of course, hit that subscribe button so you can be seeing more of this content. And as well, if you're ringing the bell notification, you're not going to miss out on these time-related updates. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here, and I will check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.